Before we will do exercises with violin, I have to mention about 2 points which are very important when you hold violin. On our body here we have collarbone, and also this point is side from the chin, not down here, little bit from the side. And when we put our violin on our shoulder, I usually use shoulder rest. About shoulder rest, we already talked in our previous lesson. This curved place we have to put on the collarbone down here, and chin rest should be under this side of the chin, down here. And this position should be very comfortable and such as you will be able to keep violin without hands, as you can see now. So position will be between 10 and 11 o'clock. We put now our violin on our shoulder on 2 points. And also when we hold our hand on the fingerboard, we also have 2 points which help us to keep our fingers under the strings. So this place of the thumb and this place of the first finger. So on violin we have 4 fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4, because we don't use thumb. So we put thumb down here and our first finger down here. And the position should be such as you will have the gap between this place and between violin's neck. Now we can do exercises with violin. So let's put our hand on the position, our wrist, this place of first finger and thumb. Check the gap between. Let's do the boat. There is a boat in the river. I move my elbow under the violin and I don't raise my shoulder. There is a girl with a mirror. My fingers are curved. And now let's turn our mirror. And now my fingers are over string, if you can see that. All fingers, even my fourth finger. Such easy exercises, but they are very, very helpful for keeping violin. Practice them not only once, just sometimes and more, and it would be much easier for you to keep the violin. So I wish you good luck and I will see you in the next lesson. If you would like more complete and advanced information, just kindly visit my website with the link in the description box below. I will be waiting for you there.